Oh, wow, this is just perfect. I can't stop smiling. My cheeks actually hurt. Everything just fell into place and it feels so good. Let's celebrate right now. I'm on top of the world. This is the happiest I've ever been. I can hardly believe how amazing this feels. I'm just. No, this is absolutely not acceptable. I've repeated myself too many times, and I'm done with excuses. That's absolutely unacceptable. I can't even fathom how many times I've had to repeat myself. This is just ridiculous. I'm fed up with all the Hey, listen up. No, no, no. This is just not gonna fly, all right? I've said it over and over again, and I'm done with all these flimsy excuses. Fix it. And I mean really fix it, like you actually know what you're doing, or step aside and I'll find someone who can handle it. Who? Who dares wander under my moonlit branches at this hush-hush time? Step lightly, little squishy thing. The night's. Who? Who wanders under my moonlit branches at this tranquil hour? Tread softly, dear friend. The night is a library filled with whispered secrets. Listen closely. Who? And you just might leave with more wisdom than you came with. Who? Who? Oh, I see you there, looking for answers in the dark.